Lesson Plan, Introduction to Algebra. Grade Level, 7th Grade. Subject, Mathematics. Duration, 60 minutes. Lesson Objectives, understand the concept of variables and algebraic expressions. Learn to simplify and evaluate basic algebraic expressions. Apply algebraic techniques to solve simple equations. Materials needed, whiteboard and markers. Projector and computer. Handouts with practice problems. Graph paper. Algebra tiles, optional. Calculators, optional. Lesson Outline 1. Introduction, 10 minutes. Greet students and introduce the topic of the lesson, algebra. Explain the importance of algebra in mathematics and real-life applications. Present the learning objectives for the lesson. 2. Direct instruction, 15 minutes. Definition and example. Define variables and constants. Introduce algebraic expressions. 2x plus 3, 5y 7. Provide examples of how algebraic expressions are used in different contexts. Simplifying expressions. Explain the rules for simplifying algebraic expressions, like terms, distributive property. Work through a few examples on the board, simplifying expressions step by step. 3. Guided practice, 15 minutes. Distribute handouts with practice problems. Solve a few problems together as a class, asking for student input and participation. Encourage students to ask questions if they are unsure about any steps. 4. Independent practice, 10 minutes. Have students work on additional problems from the handout independently or in small groups. Walk around the room to provide assistance and check for understanding. 5. Application and problem solving, 5 minutes. Present a real-life problem that can be solved using algebra. Guide students through the process of setting up and solving the equation. 6. Review and Q&A, 5 minutes. Summarize key points of the lesson, understanding variables, simplifying expressions, and solving equations. Open the floor for any final questions or clarifications. 7. Assessment and homework assignment, 5 minutes. Quick formative assessment, a few questions or problems on the board for students to solve. Assign homework, a worksheet with practice problems on simplifying and evaluating algebraic expressions. Assessment, observe student participation and understanding during guided practice. Check answers to the independent practice problems. Review and provide feedback on homework assignments. Differentiation, provide extra support and simplified problems for students who struggle with the concepts. Offer more challenging problems for advanced students who grasp the material quickly. Use algebra tiles and visual aids for students who benefit from hands-on learning. Reflection, after the lesson, reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Consider student feedback and assessment results to adjust future lessons accordingly. This lesson plan provides a structured approach to teaching the basics of algebra, ensuring that students have multiple opportunities to engage with the material and demonstrate their understanding.